Welcome to the CBAnalyzer video tutorial.
In this video, we will be discussing how to take a test against a circuit breaker using the CBAnalyzer. Topics we will be covering are setting up for a test, performing the test, and syncing and signature review. Before performing any testing, be sure you are following all relevant safety procedures for working on your equipment, and you are using properly inspected and maintained safety equipment. Also ensure that you are recently logged into the CBAnalyzer app. When you are ready to begin, tap the New Test button in the main menu. Before proceeding, you will be asked 3 basic security questions to ensure that you are fully prepared to operate the breaker. If at any time you cannot answer the questions or you do not feel comfortable answering the questions, you should not proceed with the test or with operating the breaker. After successfully proceeding through the initial security questions, you will be presented with the test settings screen. In this menu, you will select the parameters under which the test is taking place. To take a test, you must select from the menu the piece of equipment you are going to test, the physical status of the breaker, the operation mode of the breaker, the physical location of the breaker, the test sequence, and finally the temperature range representing the ambient temperature for your area. Most of these parameters will be read from the indicators on the breaker or the breaker control panel at the time of the test. The exceptions to this are the equipment and the temperature range, which must be set up beforehand or read from an external source respectively. Once you are finished with these steps, tap the Start Test button to begin the actual testing procedure. After tapping Start Test, you will be asked an additional security question to ensure that you are ready to take the test you just specified. If the answer to the question is yes, then you will be presented with a device placement screen, which shows an image depicting where the iDevice is to be placed on the breaker. Next, you will be shown a leveling screen to assist in aligning the iDevice properly on the faceplate. The lines on the screen should be aligned as closely as possible to the plus sign in the middle of the screen. Once the device is sufficiently aligned, the middle of the screen will turn green. Tap anywhere on the screen to initiate the test. Once the test is initiated, a countdown will begin to give you ample time to close doors or to get to a safe distance before recording actually starts. Once the countdown is finished, the device begins recording and it is time to operate your breaker. Once the operation is finished, ensure the test recording has stopped and then remove the iDevice from the breaker. If you are happy with the captured signature, tap Next to proceed to the test summary. This screen shows an overview of the test settings that were just used, as well as a miniature of the signature, a place for notes, and a few extra items. Tap Send to send the signature to the website for storage and analysis. Once the sending and processing is finished, the result of your test is returned to the handset and appears under the result header on the test summary screen. Once you are finished reviewing your results, tap the Main Menu button to return to the main menu to continue using the system.
If you have any questions or comments concerning this video or the content covered here, please feel free to contact us on the web at info@cbanalyzer.com or by phone at 1-972-290-0074.